Hi everyone, welcome to today's lesson. It is really important for your marketing foundation, so watch till the end. Today we're going to talk about something that often confuses beginners and experienced marketers alike, but no more confusion after watching this lesson. So, buckle up to dive in and explore. I'm Zyma Butt, your millennial marketing mentor. We'll discuss the difference between the types of marketing and its approaches. These two terms sound similar, but they're actually quite different. I'll explain you about them in this video, and if you'd like more details, you can read the full guide linked in the description. Let's start with types of marketing. Types are basically the channels or tools we use to reach people. Think of it as the where and how of marketing. For example, one of the most important types today is digital marketing. Promoting through websites, online ads, and social media and other types fall under its umbrella. There is content marketing, where a business creates helpful blogs, videos, or guides that naturally attract customers. Then there's my favorite one, email marketing, that is about sending emails to people's inbox for offering discounts, promoting events, or simply educating them in their field. And of course, social media marketing, which I highly recommend, which focuses on connecting with audiences on platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn. In short, types are the different channels we use to communicate our message. Now let's move on to approaches. They aren't about the channel itself, but about the style or philosophy behind the marketing. For example, in B2C marketing, businesses sell directly to consumers. The campaigns are usually emotional and designed for quick decisions. In contrast, B2B marketing, which is my focus, is when businesses sell to other businesses. This approach is more logical, relationship-based, and often involves longer decision-making. Another important approach is inbound marketing, where instead of chasing people, you attract them by offering valuable content and solutions they're already searching for. On the other hand, outbound marketing is about reaching out directly through ads, cold calls, or promotions, even if the customer hasn't asked for it. So remember, approaches are about the way you market, not the tool itself. To wrap it up, types of marketing are the channels and tools. Approaches to marketing are the style and strategy. Both go hand in hand, just like you need both the right tools and the right style to prepare a great meal. This was just a quick overview from me. For detailed explanations and more real-world examples, make sure to check out the document in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.